Now, advertising your KDP books doesn't have to break the bank. While everyone might not have the finances to back their book promotion, there are several low-cost strategies that are both effective and accessible to everyone, and I'll share 3 of my favorite in this video. Now, the first low budget strategy is just creating an author central account, as this allows you to personalize your author page. It's free and easy to create with so many benefits that publishers need to take full advantage of. If we take a look at my AI coloring book brand, D&D Press, you can see how an author central account gives you a much more professional layout. It really puts you in the mindset of building a brand, and you can share what you stand for, what makes your book special, and it's a direct line to your readers, helping you to establish a lasting connection. You can also point them to other titles you've written, as I have here, and it's a great way to keep your readers engaged and coming back for more books. And once your books start selling well, you will also get recommended by other popular brands, which is another way of getting additional traffic to your books. But inside the author central account, you get so much information. So you're provided with your book sales ranks, and this shows you how your books are selling compared to others on Amazon. So I like to check this often just to see how well my marketing is working, and then it helps you to figure out when to switch up your tactics. Also, the follow button on your author central page allows readers to sign up and actually get updates about your work. So they'll get the news once you release a new book or you have something special to share. And it's a simple way to keep some of your fans in the loop. As you can see from my account, I currently have 61 followers. And the customer reviews inside your author central account makes it easy to see what readers are saying about all of your books, as all your reviews are in one place, so you can read and learn from them. And this feedback is perfect for understanding what your audience wants and improving on your next book. Now, if you haven't set up an author central account for some of your books, or you want tips on making it look more professional, I have got this video on my channel as a guide. So the second low budget ad strategy we're going to be taking a look at is lottery ads, and this approach involves grouping several books together in a single advertisement campaign while keeping the cost for each click as low as possible. And this is going to give you more visibility at a lower cost, meaning that you can get more sales without spending too much money. You get to learn what works. So lottery ads can give you useful information about which keywords and products are popular. And they are very efficient for marketing, allowing you to just run a single ad for multiple books rather than creating separate ad campaigns for each book. Now on the screen, this is an ad campaign that I've been running since August last year. And when we take a look at the numbers, you're going to see how profitable and efficient these ads are. So in this particular campaign, I've actually got around 258 books running, and my spend since August last year has been $148.49. So if we actually divide that over the 16-month, it roughly works out to £9. And then my sales have come up to £1,298.64. Again, if we divide that over the 16-month period, it roughly rounds to £81. So based on these figures, on average, I spend £9 each month and earned £81 in sales. There's a very low ACOS of 11.43%, and the impressions are over 400,000. And again, dividing that over a 16-month period, that's getting me 25,000 impressions each month for roughly just £9. And my orders over the 16-month have been 213, but dividing that gives me 13 orders each month. So whilst these are really good numbers over the long term, what you must understand with lottery ads is they're not going to make you a millionaire. They're just there to add a small amount of additional traffic to your book without spending too much, but still helping you to get sales. Now, I haven't just launched my lottery ad and let it run. I have been able to adjust it over time and make sure everything is on track. So that might involve increasing the ad spend if I'm not getting enough impressions, or decreasing the ad spend, or turning off certain books if I'm spending too much and not getting sales. Finally, with these ads, make sure that you are being patient. They do take a while to get going. So even if you launch the ad and after a few days, you're not seeing too much happening, and you're thinking about stopping the ad, these books are on a really low cost per click, so it will take a long time to get going, so you need to be patient. Now, the final low budget strategy that we'll take a look at is TikTok, and this is something that I'm going to be using next year as a free way to promote my books. So TikTok is a popular social media platform that can be a highly effective tool for marketing. I have seen some creators grow massive audiences on their platform by creating engaging content about their books, and TikTok has several benefits, including the viral potential. And the algorithm is designed to favor engaging content, which means that new users even have a chance of going viral. And there's also so much creative freedom where you can craft content that resonates with your book. And I'm going to take a look at three creators on the platform that are doing really well promoting their books. And the first is Ali, and she presents a perfect example of how to use TikTok as a highly effective tool for marketing. And one of her books is actually performing exceptionally well on Amazon with a BSR inside the top 5,000 on Amazon. So Ali has carved out a niche on TikTok by creating content that is both simple and captivating. So she films herself coloring in her pages from her books, showcasing the interactive aspects of her work. And this type of content is not only fun to watch, but also highlights the quality of her books, and it entices the viewers to become buyers. Now, an interesting aspect of Ali's brand is that she actually doesn't show her face, which demonstrates that anyone can advertise their KDP books effectively without being the face of it. Her videos are very easy to follow, and she also responds to comments in the videos, which makes it very engaging. But whilst Ali has been widely successful on the platform with nearly 500k followers, she's definitely not an overnight success, as she's actually created hundreds of TikTok videos, which has allowed her to develop and improve her content over time. So don't think you're just going to create 5 to 10 TikTok videos and succeed. It does take time. The second creator is Calm Over Chaos, that has amassed nearly 130,000 followers with 3.6 million likes, and her videos just consist of her coloring in her coloring books, responding to comments from her followers, and also creating engaging content about her business. She does show her face, so if that's something you want to do, then she's a great model to follow. And she's been very consistent over a long period of time, as she's got multiple TikTok videos. So the third creator that I've been watching is called I'm Proud of You, and she's actually focused on a particular theme of empowering your mental health journey, and she's created a journal all about this. Now, this isn't specifically a KDP book, but we can still learn a lot from the content that she provides, as her videos are very vulnerable and transparent, as she shows her emotions whilst filling in various pages from her journal. And doing this, she's amassed over 40,000 followers and 1.5 million likes. She also doesn't really show her face, so if it's something that you want to consider, then this is a great brand to follow. Now, with these three brands that I've shown, what is important is that you don't try to copy, but you try to create your own ideas. They may have not got thousands of views on their first videos, but they kept on innovating and creating unique content. And that's something you're going to have to figure out and test out for yourself. But if that's something you're really struggling with or not willing to do, there are freelancers on Fiverr that you can hire that can create the engaging content for you, and then you can post it on TikTok. So this is something that I'm actually going to be testing out, and I'll be recording it in my newsletter, so make sure that you are subscribed to that. Thanks for watching this video, and if you've got any comments, then leave it in the comment section.